Hey everybody, welcome to our explanation of the foam fountain. First we have our fountain happening in slow motion. You could see the bubbles coming out there from the top as the vinegar and the baking soda mix together. And when it's really going full force there, you see it's just spewing out of the top there. All of that gas that's exiting the little hole in the top of the fountain. Okay, so Maya and Maddie are going to explain a little bit more about why this is happening. Go.
Hi everyone, my name is Maya and this is my sister Maddie, and we're gonna show you the explanation for the foam fountain. So the vinegar is what's called acid, and the baking soda is what's called a base, and when they mix together, they don't like each other, so they create carbon dioxide gas, and so
What is that called when those two things come together? It's called a chemical what?
it's called a chemical reaction.
Okay, so let's show them a version of this chemical reaction. You don't have to do it in the bottle. You could actually do it in any kind of container. So we have a little bit of baking soda. You're gonna put the, do you wanna use the soap?
Yeah.
No? Okay, so just use the baking soda plus the vinegar. Okay, so there we have our bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. So, a little bit more. As you add more ingredients, the chemical reaction occurs even more. And you have more and more foam. And if you were to put the soap in there, the soap would make the bubbles even bigger. Okay,
Like
so
this.
keep watching this video so you can see a little bit more of the precise science behind this chemical reaction. All right. Okay, so the main ingredients for our chemical reaction, we have two things, the vinegar, which is also known as acetic acid, and we have the baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate. So the chemical world is divided up into basically two halves, things that are acids, like on the left, and things that are bases, which are on the right in the blue. So the acids on the left here are things like soda, vinegar, lemon juice, and the bases on the right are things like bleach and other kinds of cleaners. So when you mix these two things together, an acid plus the base, you have this chemical battle. And when that chemical battle occurs, usually out of that you get new stuff. So now back to our question. Why does this combination create a foam fountain? So we have the baking soda and the vinegar having a reaction on the left, and they're going to create some things that are on the right, but the main thing that we're interested in is the carbon dioxide gas, which is on the far right of the screen. So things in the chemical reaction are rearranged. So we have all this stuff on the left, rearranging and creating the stuff on the right. So on the bottom here, you have the acid and the base, and on the right, you have the ingredients that are created. You have basically a salt, a little bit of water, and then the carbon dioxide gas. So the foam, why do we have foam? Well, the foam is there because the soap traps the carbon dioxide gas. And we have a fountain effect because the gas bubbles have a lot of energy and really want to escape the bottle. So you have the CO2 bubbles coming up to the top, creating a lot of foam and a lot of pressure, and they really want to get out of that bottle, and they can out of the small hole at the top. So to recap, why does this combination create a foam fountain? You have vinegar and baking soda that react to create carbon dioxide gas. The gas gets trapped in the soap to create foam, and the foam wants to escape the bottle. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a good time. I hope you can try this on your own. See you later.